What's going on, people? Resilient Trading Group here, coming at you with another video. In today's video, we're going to be going over a good risk management strategy that we like to use here at RTG, and how it can also benefit yourselves, how we use it on trades, and how it works, and how it is beneficial for you guys as traders, beginning or experienced. So here is a diagram that I actually drew out for you guys to understand. Pretty simple. For example, it's on a £10,000 account, and for every trade we enter, we like to use a risk management of 1%, and we like to work in percentages, not pounds, not dollars, not anything like that. We like to work in percentages and keep it professional. So we risk 1% on every trade. For a £10,000 account, that equates to £100. So for example, let's say we do 10 trades, 50% of them win, 50% of them lose. That is a strike rate of 50%. 50 wins, 50 losses, 5-5. With 1% risk and 5 losses, 5 times 1% is £500, meaning you lose 5% of your overall account size. So that puts your account down to 9,500. But let's say you have 5 wins with a risk to reward of 1 to 3 every trade. That means 5 times 3% is 1,500, meaning a account size of plus 15%, taking it to 11,500. So then when you look at it in the net profit terms, this is actually a plus 10% at £1,000, because you take the £500, you knock it off 1,500, that is £1,000. And as I said, that is a risk to reward of 1 to 3, and you need to keep that in mind, guys. Having a risk to reward of 1, 2, 3 every trade. The reason I say that and emphasize it is because if you go into a trade and you think to yourself, oh look at this, guys, I'm going to take a long here, I'm going to take a short here, but I'm not that confident, so I'm only going to do a risk to reward of 1 to 1. No, you need to have a strong mind. You need to be strong in your trading strategy, and you need to be positive with everything you do in trading and not be negative. Having a risk to reward of 1 to 3, 1 to 2, or 1 to 1, whatever it is, stick to it. And that is what I say to you guys. We like to work of 1 to 2 to 1 to 3 every trade. It minimizes the risk and maximizes our profits. Now what I would say is, it don't matter what form you're doing. You can lose the first 2 trades, you can lose the first 5 trades. It don't matter, because with this risk management strategy of 1 to 3 on every trade, only risking 1% of your overall account and having a reward of 3% every trade, you will always be in profit. Even if it's 50-50, you will always be in profit. And that's the key here, guys. You need to stay in profit, you need to have a good risk management strategy, and you need to implement it well. So here, looking at this trade, as you can see, we've got support, resistance, trend line. Every time it hits this line, rejects it. It's not managed to break it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. We wait for a break off the trend, so it'd break it round about there. Once it's also broke this line of support here, this is when we get our entry. Take profit on the first support line. Risk to reward of 1 to 5. Now that's 1 to 5. The way to make this a risk to reward of 1 to 3 is by going, let's enter here and have a risk to reward of 1 to 3. That isn't the mindset. You can't just adjust it to where markets are. It's not broke any of your confirmations. It's not broke the support. It's not broke the trend line. It's not fully rejected the resistance yet. So you need to wait for your confirmations. You need to work with the market, and you need to be patient. And that's the key with this risk management strategy we have. You need to have patience, have a strong mindset, and stick to it. Don't think you can predict the market. You need to move with the market and adapt with the market. And that is exactly what this risk management strategy does. A risk to reward of 1 to 3 on every trade. Don't have to be 1%, can be 2%, can be 3%. Just stick to it, and it will work, and it will benefit, and you guys will start to see the benefits of using this risk management strategy. Again, I do hope this helps, and I hope you do implement it, or just at least try it out, or trial and error, guys. That's what trading is, seeing what works best for you. But make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you haven't already. Make sure to check out our social media, which is all down in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.